get into it. Craig Metalman Garage. Adjustable strut housing from JBugs. I have got the driver's side all put together here. I'm going to do the passenger side so you guys can see how these adjustable struts work. Although JBugs has got a decent 7-minute video on that. I do have these rubber pieces I got from JBugs to put down in here for the springs. This is adjustable. Right there is a clip ring. It was down here. It's painted in, so you have to kind of just hit these edges, break the paint loose, take a screwdriver, and shimmy this ring to the spot that you want. I calculated about 3 inches of drop for what I need, so I went up to this other one, so it's 3 instead of 3.5 inch drop. That sits down there like so. This is the kit I got for taking the struts nuts off of the top of the shock. This shock also comes from JBugs, and you have to buy it. It's shorter, and it fits right in like so. Then this new shock comes with this new lock ring right here. Get that sucker threaded in there like so. Yeah. Tighten that a little bit with the channel locks here. That's going to be good enough. Okay, got the shock in, got the shock nut in, got the rubber piece in the bottom. I already compressed the springs with the compress. I found these with the safeties at Autozone. Set this down. You got to line up the spring on the notch down here. Oh, like that. Make sure she's sitting in there nice. Pull the shock up all the way. Also got the rubber insert for the top, help insulate it. This goes on next. Again, line it up with that end of the spring. Oh, that feels pretty good. Body mount. The nut. All right, now. Make sure this is set in there nice. That's set in there nice. Get the socket. It's got a hole in it. The socket comes with that kit. A wrench. Set that on there. I believe this was a 1/2 inch drive socket wrench that I had. This is the Allen wrench that fits in up here. Of course, it slips through the hole like so. Gently tighten this thing down. Double check, double check. That all looks pretty good. There's no torque spec. There's no torque wrench with a hole in it, so you just make sure this is good and tight. Should be good. Getting close. There it is. A little cranky. All right, that's it. Check. Oh, that's not it. I'm not seated over here. Seated wrong. Oh yeah, the other way. Come on, baby. Loosey-goosey. flashlight. Yeah, way off. There it is. There it is. Yeah, she's in the groove. Yeah, you gotta get the end of that spring and that little dip. Oh, that looks good. All right, now we're on track. Now we're on track. All right, rinse and repeat. Tighten this mother down. Now these are just all my own cars. I'm not for hire. I don't have the skills for that. This had the death wobble in it. I can't sell it or drive it with the wobble in it, so it's got to get fixed. You can see my other videos explaining some of that death wobble and the bad spots on. Okay, that's working. Yay. All right, I think I got it. Yeah, finally. That worked. That worked. All right, check. Number 2. All right, let me see here. That's good. That's good. Okay, we're there. Holy cow. New body mounts, new springs, new shocks. Adjustable with 3-inch drop. I'm excited. All right. That was that. Definitely get yourself this McPherson Strut kit here. This is just going to make life so much easier. I think I paid about 40 bucks for this on eBay. Again, I found these compression tools at Autozone. If you're not comfortable, take it to a pro. They'll most likely be happy to do it for you. There's the adjustable strut housing. That's how I put it together. You can see if that, or let me know if that was all wrong, but that seemed right. If you guys like this stuff, let me know. If you don't, let me know. I'm just trying to build this channel at the same time I'm working on my cars. Trying to get these up and running so I can get this one sold. And I got another car in mind I'm ready to buy. I got to sell about 3 or 4 so I can buy another car. I'll leave that for a surprise. So, Metal Man, this is Craig. Metal Man Garage. Like, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Checking out.